Are you looking for a system that makes it fast and easy to ramp up productivity and deliver exceptional quality images? Discover Philips MR5300. It takes our revolutionary helium-free MR operations to the next level. With AI-driven breakthroughs designed to automate the most complex tasks so you can focus on your patients. Smart workflow combined with our lightest and most versatile breeze coils reduces the number of steps needed to complete an MR exam. You can set up patients in under a minute and accelerate change over time by up to 30%, while the MR5300's innovative Comfort Plus mattress simplifies cable handling. Compressed Sense speeds MR scans by up to 50% with virtually equal image quality. With MR5300, it is possible to scan routine exams like the brain and knee in just 5 minutes, freeing up time slots for additional patients. You can count on high-quality clinical images thanks to the new versatile breeze coils and robust scanning methods, even when imaging the most challenging anatomies and the smallest joints. And to lower the total cost of ownership, our service solutions assure performance for life. Make the smart choice with Philips MR5300.